Video title: The Ultimate Machine Learning Crash Course in English.
Video description:
Are you interested in learning machine learning?
Look no further.
This video provides you with the ultimate crash course in machine learning in English. Machine learning is an essential tool for processing large amounts of data and deriving insights from them. In this video, you will discover the core concepts of machine learning, including types of machine learning, data preprocessing, feature extraction, model selection, and evaluation. By the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation in understanding the principles of machine learning. Keywords: machine learning, English, data preprocessing, feature extraction, model selection, evaluation. Intro. Welcome to the Ultimate Machine Learning Crash Course in English. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about machine learning. From its core concepts to important techniques for data preprocessing, feature extraction, model selection, and evaluation, you will gain a deep understanding of the principles of machine learning. Core concepts of machine learning. Machine learning is the process of deriving meaning from data using algorithms and statistical models. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is the process of learning from labeled data, while unsupervised learning is the process of exploring data without any labels. Reinforcement learning is the process of learning from experience. Data preprocessing. Before you can begin to create machine learning models, data preprocessing is essential. Data preprocessing involves cleaning, transforming, and preparing data for analysis. You will learn the most important data preprocessing techniques, including handling missing data, splitting data, scaling data, and encoding categorical data. Feature extraction. Feature extraction is the process of identifying the most important features in your data that will help you to achieve optimal results in your machine learning model. In this section, we will cover feature extraction techniques such as principal component analysis, PCA, and recursive feature elimination, RFE. Model selection. Once you have extracted the most important features from your data, you are ready to choose the best machine learning model for your analysis. In this section, we will cover the most commonly used machine learning models, including linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forests, and support vector machines, SVM. Evaluation. Evaluating the performance of a machine learning model is a critical step in the process. In this section, we will introduce you to techniques such as cross-validation and grid search, which will help you to evaluate and improve the performance of your models. Outro. Congratulations! You made it to the end of the Ultimate Machine Learning Crash Course in English. By now, you should have a solid understanding of machine learning concepts, techniques for data preprocessing, feature extraction, model selection, and evaluation. We hope you enjoyed this video and feel confident to begin your journey in the exciting field of machine learning.